Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Lin. Simple recipes, easy to make. Do you miss your dim sum restaurants? I do. Today we're going to make one of the most popular dim sum items, shumai. In Chinese we call 𝐏𝐤𝐦𝐢𝐭𝐜𝐲. Let's get started. First we're going to prepare the vegetables. Take care of pork and shrimp later. So I have 3 green onions. We just use the white part and save this for garnish. Next, we're going to cut the carrot. I have 1 carrot. I'm going to just use half of it. And I have 2 dried shiitake mushrooms. So they've been soaked in water for about 45 minutes. And this is before soaking. They're like this. So they're dried and dehydrated and has smoky flavor. So if you don't have dried shiitake mushroom, you can use fresh mushrooms. Now you can see they're soft. So get rid of the stem. Next, I'm going to chop up pork and shrimp. I have a piece of pork, it's about 4 ounces. We're going to chop it up. After a few minutes, our pork is finely chopped. Let me wash my hands and a knife. We're going to chop the shrimp. I have a few shrimp. They actually already shelled and with tail on, already deveined. Just need to get rid of the tail. 5 shrimp, to be exact. I'm going to list all the ingredients in the description box for you guys. Okay. So we just need to chop them. Now our shrimp has been chopped into a paste. And next we're going to make the filling. First we're going to season the pork and shrimp. Gonna grate some ginger. And add some white pepper powder, salt, we also add some water. Actually, you can use the mushroom water. Just add slowly. And the white part of our green onions. Add a little bit more water. So we want to get to the consistency. It's like a paste, but not so loose. And it's not so dense, right? little bit more water. And if you have cooking wine, Shaoxing cooking wine, can add some cooking wine. It's going to enhance the flavor. If you don't have it, skip it. You guys asked me what are the substitutes for cooking wine. You can use dry sherry, rice wine, or like a Japanese mirin. Now we add carrots and mushrooms. Add some sesame oil. And oyster sauce. If you don't have oyster sauce, you can use light soy sauce. Mix. Probably just a little bit salt. And we're ready to make the shumai. So I have 2 packs of wrappers. This one's the dumpling wrappers. They're round wrappers. This is the wonton wrappers. We're going to use both of them. They're a little bit different. The dumpling wrappers give you more chew to it. So let's get started. And I just need to brush my steamer with some oil. You can use parchment paper or cheesecloth. So this way, shumai is not going to be sticky at the bottom. Okay, our steamer is ready. So here we go. Let's pick one wrapper. And put the filling in the middle. And if the wrapper is a little dry, you can use some water. Will make it easier to wrap it. So between your index finger and the thumb, just push together like this. That's our first shumai. Let's try again. It's about a little bit more than a teaspoon. Put it in the middle. Can dab a little bit of water. Make it easier to fold it. And between your thumb and the index finger, just press them together. Can flatten it like that. Okay, let's show close up. Dab some water around the wrapper. Then with your thumb and index finger, just press them together like that. We can flatten it on the top. Let's try using the wonton wrappers. So this wrapper is bigger, square. So we can dab some water. Same thing, just push together like that. Which one do you like better? This looks like a flower, right? Let's do another one. Put it in the middle. Rub some water around wrapper. Now use your thumb and index fingers, push together. Become flatten a bit. Does that look like a bouquet? Shumai bouquet, right? Okay, I'm going to continue making them. Now I have made 10 of them. Should fit into one steamer. Perfect, 10. Now we are ready to steam the shumai. The water is boiling. Now let's place a steamer and cover it. We're going to steam about 50 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm going to continue making rest of the shumai. After 15 minutes, our shumai is ready. Are you guys ready? Ta-da! Don't they look great? And we're gonna serve with some chili oil, just like the restaurant. And my tea is ready. Jasmine green tea. Smells so good. Of course, when we're steaming, I already made the rest of the shumai. Another 11 shumai. I'm going to steam later. And I'm ready for dim sum. First, let me get my tea ready. Cheers. So fragrant, jasmine green tea. Let's try the shumai. First, without hot sauce. So delicious. All the flavors. Pork, shrimp, mushroom, carrots, added a little bit sweetness. Juicy. Try one with the hot oil. Have good kick up from the hot oil. Crunchy mushrooms and carrots. So flavorful. Where you guys try to make it, make your dim sum at home, please leave me a comment below. If you ever had the shumai, how you liked it. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.